So today we're gonna see how much of this mess we can fit on that truck and trailer and make it to the dump. It's about to rain. Let's go.
So, what happened here? Well, our local waste disposal changed their rules, and now they only allow you to dump if you have a full-size dump trailer. Since I don't have one, the refuse started piling up until I finally found a better solution. I tried using the surrounding counties, but they only allow residents to dump since the service is free. It actually turned out to be a blessing in disguise because before the rule change, our local facility was incredibly expensive. I once paid $80 to dump a small 5x8 trailer that only had a few items on it, the heaviest thing being a small single recliner. With this new solution, I was able to dispose of an entire truck bed and trailer load for only $21. I'm still getting used to operating this bush hog. As you can see, I ran into a bit of trouble, but I managed to figure it out. take a look at my current setup and let me know in the comments what I might be missing or doing wrong. I can't lower the deck too much because the ground is incredibly uneven, which causes the front of the bush hog to dig in. That's what's causing those lines you see in the grass. I had to take it slow clearing this section because I wasn't entirely sure what was hiding in this tall grass. I used to have a metal chicken coop right here that was crushed by a fallen tree. Plus, there's a lot of old construction wood with nails in it, so I had to be very careful. In this area, I left it a bit longer because there's a lot of broken glass scattered around. I'll have to come up with a clever way to safely clear it out later. It's still a bit tall, but I finally managed to get it to a height where the mower can handle it. I'm really happy with the progress. Now that this part is done, let's see what I can do with this next section. This is our leach field, and it is slowly being taken over by the surrounding woods and sapling. And right there, the tractor stalled out. The blade got completely tangled up in a big wad of old hoses hidden in the brush. Now I've got to get under there and clear it all out.
I forgot about the hoses in the bush.
Overall, I'm impressed with how this bush hog performed, and I had a blast using it. After clearing this section out, it felt so good that I immediately started looking for other overgrown areas to tackle. This is what the space looked like now. We managed to reclaim about 15 feet of yard space from the encroaching woods. Hit the subscribe button to see how we end up using this newly cleared land.